Here's a quick Semantic Author tutorial that shows how to compare pages and gain insights to compete more effectively in the search rankings. So the query is, why is this page Spotlight web design inferior to MetaDigital? Now, let's compare these two sites in terms of their web presence and digital marketing effectiveness. 1. Website design and user experience. Spotlight. The website features a clear and simple design, emphasizing their web design and SEO services. While the navigation is straightforward, the overall aesthetic is somewhat basic and might not stand out in the competitive digital landscape. MetaDigital. MetaDigital's website displays a more contemporary and visually engaging design. The professional layout, coupled with effective use of visuals, creates a more compelling user experience. 2. Content quality and SEO strategy. Spotlight. The site focuses on their specific services, including web design and local SEO. The content is informative, but lacks the breadth and depth that might be necessary to rank well for a wider array of relevant search terms. MetaDigital. Their content strategy appears more comprehensive, covering a broader range of digital services. This approach likely allows them to target a wider variety of keywords and topics, enhancing their search engine visibility. 3. Technical SEO aspects. Spotlight. The website seems to be optimized for basic SEO practices but might lack advanced technical SEO implementations. This could affect its overall search engine performance compared to more technically optimized sites. MetaDigital. With a more sophisticated design, MetaDigital's website likely benefits from advanced SEO techniques like faster load times, mobile optimization, and structured data, contributing to better search engine performance. 4. Market positioning and branding. Spotlight. They position themselves as a provider of web design and SEO services, primarily targeting small businesses. This niche focus is beneficial for local search, but may limit their appeal to a broader audience. MetaDigital. They present a full-service digital agency brand, offering a wider range of services. This broader positioning could appeal to a larger and more diverse client base. 5. Engagement and conversion strategies. Spotlight. The website is geared towards engaging small business owners and focuses on practicality and functionality in design. However, it could benefit from more engaging elements like case studies, client testimonials, or interactive content. MetaDigital. Their site appears to leverage more dynamic content and interactive elements, which can be more effective in engaging visitors and converting them into clients. In conclusion, while Spotlight Web Design has a focused and clear presentation of its services, MetaDigital's more expansive service range, advanced website design, comprehensive content strategy, and sophisticated SEO techniques likely contribute to its superior online presence and its effectiveness in attracting a diverse clientele. Remember, the effectiveness of a website is influenced by a combination of factors, including design, content, technical SEO, user experience, and market positioning. MetaDigital is number 1 in this market, where Spotlight is on the 5th page. This is Authored Intelligence.